In this video, I will show you how to restore the classic YouTube layout. To do this, we will be using a simple Google Chrome extension to do so. First, you want to get on Google and search for the Google Chrome Web Store. Click on the first link. Once you are there, go to the top right of the search bar and search for YouTube Redux. Go ahead and click on Add to Chrome. Once the installation is complete, there will be an option to change the default settings of the extension. For the purpose of this video, I will change the number of videos on the homepage to 8 and keep the rest at default settings. Now when I go to youtube.com, the site will be in the old YouTube layout, giving you the nostalgic feel of the good old times.